Okay, starting the snowblower, tractor snowblower. Walk in, open the door. If the door doesn't open, you have to thaw out the lock because it's goofed. The key is down here, the clutch is over here. You have to push the clutch in. Nothing will happen if you don't push the clutch in. Turn the key one click. You get the battery and the warning light to turn on. You go another 1/16 of an inch. The glow plug light turns on. You leave that on, count to 30. Hit the gas or turn the key the rest of the way. You can let your foot off the clutch. You wind it up to 1300. You let it run for 20 minutes. The lights will turn on. We'll come back in 20 minutes when all the lights are on.